In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio in Reaper. So there's a few different ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of them, which I do think are the easiest. The first one is going to be a simple drag and drop. So you simply want to find the file on your computer and you can simply click and of course kind of drag it in here just like this. And as you can see, if you want a new track, you could just go and point it down here, or if you want an existing one, you can just go in here and release your mouse click and that's going to work. So I want a new track. I'm going to put it down here, so I'm going to release it, and there we go. As you can see, it's put on my audio file over here. If you have a track already, it's going to look like this, so you can just go and basically drag and drop like that, and there we go. That's how easy it is to import your audio. But you could also use the insert menu up top. So if you click on insert over here, you can click on media file, and then you can simply find your media files. So I'm just going to go with these. I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to click on open, and that's going to open up as well, of course, on your currently selected track. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.